So welcome to John Bitto's Chennai Dance Championship Season 3. So I am here with a big gang of super girls, as you can see. Can I know where are you from? Which school are you from? Okay, nice. So is this your first time in CDC?
No, that's second time.
You should be confident enough then, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how well are you prepared? Confident?
Very well.
Not very nervous?
No.
Can I hear it?
No.
Superb. So as you know, CDC is the only platform which is open to all categories, junior, senior, corporates, everything. And it's on an international level. Are you excited to know who will be the international judges?
Yes.
Okay. So John Bitto sir will be seeing you live, each one of you. Any message you want to give to Bitto sir?
We are really proud that you've given us this opportunity, and
We'll do our best.
we'll try to win the trophy.
Clap for yourself, girls. So let's give a shout out all of students for CDC in a wave 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3.